What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Kevin Love. Here's a special request from Mr. Cadence Vaxon Moore. He wants to see my Eureka Powerline, my 10 amp. And I also, before running this one, I'm gonna show y'all my collection. So here's some more vacuums in here. That's a Singer, a Hoover. There's a Eureka light back there, if you can see it. Oh. And then there's a Eureka Powerline back there. That's a 11 amp version. It's a soft bag if you can't see that, I'm sorry. Then there's some more stuff right there. Oh, you haven't seen nothing yet. You haven't seen nothing yet. Walk with me. Here's my red closet. There's my beautiful Eureka Powerline, my 9 amp. And a whole bunch of other great vacuums in there. Excuse the mess. This closet is only used for like hoodies and coats and vacuums and such like that. Yeah. There's some Hoovers back here, I think. Yep. Some more Dirt Devils. Yeah. It's pretty intense, man. Wait, there's more. Excuse the mess again, but here you go. All the vacuums you can handle. Yeah. It's pretty intense, right? Got your handheld vacs up there. Got some Hoovers back there. Got some Bissels. Got some Dirt Devils. Got some Singers. A little bit of everything back here, including Kenmore. Just all kind of stuff back here, man. I must say so myself. It's pretty damn ridiculous, but it's also pretty damn awesome. So yeah, it's pretty cool, man. I've been collecting vacuums for a long time, as you can see. So I just wanted to show them off a little, just so you can kind of get an idea on how everything looks. All right. Just wanted to show that off to you. And now I'm back to the Eureka Powerline. We're going to go ahead and do this. This is the 10 amp. Let's do it. I tell you what, man, that's one of my favorite vacuums out of my whole collection. That's definitely one of my favorite ones. So, here you go, Mr. Caden Jacks, Vax, blah. I said Caden Jacks. Caden's Vax and more. Here you go, man. Go ahead, watch, like, and subscribe. To the rest of y'all, do the same thing. I'll be back with some more. I holla. Peace.